student, today I am going to start fourth lectures of pressure. In fourth lectures, first of all I am going to discuss about some important questions and as a fill in the blanks. Then first, pressure is defined as an air gap and per unit area. Then pressure is defined as per unit area. It means force per unit area. Pressure is defined as force per unit area. Another question is a barometer is used to measure. Then what is measured by the barometer? Then air gapping. Then what can be felt? Then atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Another third question is the atmospheric pressure at sea level is. Then what is the value of atmospheric pressure? Yes, the value of atmospheric pressure is 760 mm of Hg. Fourth question, the ratio of density of substance to density of water is called, and what may be? Yes, relative density. The ratio of density of substance to density of water at 4 degrees C is the relative density. Relative density. Fifth question is, a liquid find its own. Then what may be the right answer? The liquid find its own level. When we keep a liquid in a vessel, then it's find its level itself. Other sixth question, the pressure in a liquid increase with its, then what is the factors and with which the pressure varies directly? Means the pressure in a liquid increase with its height or depth, we can write also. Depth. Another, the SI unit of pressure is, what will be the SI unit of pressure? Then Pascal. Eighth number, the value of atmospheric pressure at the sea level. The value of atmospheric pressure at sea level is, this questions revise, and 760 mm of Sc. Okay. Other ninth questions, the bicycle tube burst if air is filled. Then more air is filled. When we fill more air in bicycle tube, then it bursts due to the high pressure. Another, 10th, the substance float on the liquids, and if the density of substance is than the density of liquids, it means those type of the substance float on liquids and which density is less than less than the density of liquid. Okay, and this type of the questions may arise from these questions from this chapter and in short question. Okay, another, now I am going to discuss about calculations of numerical. And in this calculations of numerical, one things I am going to prove that the pressure increase with height. It means the pressure, as the height increases, then pressure also increase. It means the pressure is responsible, that is pressure increases with the height of liquid columns. Okay, that I am going to discuss here, and on the basis of numericals. Here I am going to solve on numericals, and with help of which we can find how the pressures and exert less or more in different conditions when force is same. Like as I have taken some level of water in bottle, and I'm going to find the pressure and exerted by this water at the bottom of this bottle. Then what may be the pressure exerted by this water at the bottom of the at bottom of this bottle, and that I'm going to calculate. Then to calculate, first of all I have to take a scale. Okay. Here depth of liquid means height of liquid is 16 centimeter. Here depth h means depth of water is, or height of liquid column we can write also. H is equal to 16 centimeter. We already know density of water is 1000 kg per cubic meter, and value of G 9.8 meter per second square, but generally 10 meter per second square also given. So for easy I am going to take this G value 10 meter per second square, and this is the first conditions here. And when we find the pressure, that is the pressure of the liquids at bottom of the container or bottom of bottles, then P1 is equal to H1 D1G. It means 16 into 1000 into 10 Pascal in first condition. Then how much comes? This much Pascal. And in another condition, like as when we invert this bottle in this way, then what will be the pressures exerted by these liquids, the same liquids, and on this bottom, that I am going to calculate. 22 centimeter. This is. Then here depth of liquids S2 22 centimeter, and here this centimeters we have to change in meter also. Here in meter we can change 16 by 100, 0.16. Here 0.16. Then what may be? And this much. 20. Okay, this much Pascal. Another this much centimeter. Then 20 by 122 by 100. It means 0.22 meter. Density of water D2 1000 kg per cubic meter, and G value is 10 meter per second square. And when we calculate P2, here I am going to calculate. When we calculate P2, S2 D2G means 0.22 into 1000 into 10. It means 222 this much Pascal P2. And this proves that in second case the pressure becomes more. Then what is the responsible to exert more pressure in this condition. Here in first condition, this is first condition, and in first condition the pressure's value comes what, that is 1600 Pascal, and in second condition the pressure becomes 2200 Pascal. It means in second condition means this, in this condition pressure becomes more, but here liquid's weight of liquid, density of liquid is same, only there is a variation of height of liquid columns, and height of liquid columns when vary, then pressure becomes differ. It means in these conditions height of liquid column becomes more, and so the pressure becomes high. And in this way we can prove as the height increases then pressure also increase. Then both conditions I have calculated this value. Okay, this much for today.